What point in your career po did you realize that you are finally recognized in the industry?
Ah, siguro every time na binibigyan ako ng award katulad nito, doon ko na realize. Pero laging may I think it's healthy to have some dose of doubt lagi na parang deserve mo ba to? Parang lagi akong ganun kasi sa amin kasi sa GMA News lagi namin sinasabi na you're only as good as your last story. Hindi ka pwedeng maging kampante, hindi ka pwedeng maging mayabang kasi alam mo na bukas makalawa ay pwede kang maiskupan. Lalo na ngayon ang bilis ng mga pangyayari sa ating buhay. So, well, I'm happy and I'm grateful every time they give me a recognition, pero alam ko rin na there's work waiting for me. So, katulad ngayon it's good na I'm here, but I also have a news program waiting for me in the office. So, laging yun.
Ma'am, are there enemies in the news? How do you counter them po? Yung mga enemies in the news po?
Hindi mo maiiwasan yan sa newsroom setting kasi napaka-tension filled lagi nung work atmosphere kasi nga lagi tayo naghahabol ng balita. Pero sinasabi naman namin at saka sinasabi ko rin na it's healthy, it's part of the creative process pag nagtatalo-talo, pero kailangan after nyo magtalo, tsaka yung dapat ang mga pinagtatalunan lang yung mga ideas nyo, never personal. Pag meron kayong personal, ayusin. So, yun.
Ma'am, how often does you wear po yung reporter's hat nyo po, yung pagiging reporter nyo?
Pagkakailangan, like, I was in Las Vegas nung May because there was the Pacquiao Mayweather fight. Pag may malaking pangyayari, like nung Super Typhoon Yolanda, I had to go to Tacloban one day after the typhoon struck, no? But that time I was not only there to cover the story, I was also there to check on our people because we had about a dozen people there at that time and they were right in the middle of the super typhoon when it struck Tacloban. So, ayun, kung tinatawag na yan.
Okay. Sige. Last na po sa akin, ma'am. Journalists entering politics, and do you think po they have become a more credible source of news if they return to work po?
Ako, I will never enter politics, I think. Ngayon, wala talaga. Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine yung sarili ko kasi napakalaking bagay kasi niya na hingin mo yung tiwala ng tao. Ngayon, hinihingi na nga namin yung tiwala ng tao every time we have a story to tell, pag sa mga news programs namin, even in my own public affairs programs. Paano na lang kaya kung hingin mo yung tiwala nila kasi sasabihin mo, mangangako ka na gagawin kong maganda yung buhay niyo. Parang ang hirap yata nun. Tsaka I think yung pagbibigay ng serbisyo, kanya-kanyang paraan yan eh. Sa ngayon, ang naiisip kong pinakamagandang paraan ay yung pagiging journalist. Pagkukwento, paghahanap ng katotohanan. Hindi ko naiisip yung ibang paraan. Yun lang muna.
Thank you, ma'am.